I'm Jay O'Connell, Product Manager for OpsCore. Today I'm excited to walk you through our AMP rail mount with vent mode. This update was driven directly by end-user feedback from operators working in some of the most demanding environments on the planet. The goal was simple: increase comfort and airflow without sacrificing communication performance. And that's exactly what vent mode delivers. The AMP rail mount with vent mode is fully redesigned with an independent 3-position system: deployed, vented, and stowed. In vent mode, the ear cups lift slightly off the ear, just enough to allow rapid airflow and heat dissipation, while staying close enough to maintain clear radio communication and full situational awareness. It's designed to offer increased stability during dynamic movement, while remaining fully compatible with OpsCore NFMi earplugs for double hearing protection. Vent mode gives operators the ability to cool down quickly without removing the headset, repositioning gear, breaking seals, or interrupting the mission. Same AMP durability with new added capability. We've kept the same high-quality construction, the same form factor, and the same rugged performance operators rely on in the original AMP rail mount. The vent mode mechanism is engineered for improved stability, staying secure through dynamic movement, including fast roping, breaching, and jump operations. The slight off-ear position helps reduce heat buildup during long-duration wear. And unlike traditional stowed positions, vent mode keeps the ear cups close enough to maintain radio clarity and environmental audio awareness. The AMP rail mount with vent mode is a direct reflection of operational feedback, designed for the realities of the mission, not just the requirements on paper. We're proud to deliver more comfort, more control, and more capability to the operators who rely on AMP every day. To learn more, visit opscore.com.